persons of this Mailavaram constituency. Our contested candidate of Bharatiya Janata Party, Bala Garu, is present at the occasion. Simultaneously, Kisan Morcha District President Raghunath Reddy Garu is also here. Our local Mandal President Anjanayalu Garu is also present, and Kiran Garu also. I am very happy to meet all press club people here. This is not a press conference. This is a program of marking 7 years of Seva. Bharatiya Janata Party is nothing other than Seva of our 130 plus crore Indians. We are a strong nationalist party and we are committed for Seva of our Bharat Mata. We are working in politics not mere to do politics, but to make this great country a Vishwa Guru. And every decision of Narendra Modi ji in last 7 years is taking our great country towards that level of Vishwa Guru, that is a superpower of love, superpower of development, superpower of symbiosis, सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास, एक वसुधैव कुटुंबकम जो हमारे देश ने कहा है, द होल वर्ल्ड इज वन फैमिली, एंड डेवलप आवर कंट्री. एंड द पॉलिटिकल आइडियोलॉजी ऑफ भारतीय जनता पार्टी इज अंत्योदय, दैट इज द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ लास्ट पर्सन ऑफ सोसाइटी, द मोस्ट नेग्लेक्टेड पर्सन ऑफ सोसाइटी. This is the motive of Bharatiya Janata Party. And if you can see the decisions of Narendra Modi ji for last 7 years, every decision is taken for the benefit, for the welfare of all people of every strata of our society. Maybe women of this country, maybe workers of this country, laborers of this country, maybe in the field of education, maybe for youth, maybe for farmers, maybe for tribals, maybe for scheduled caste, maybe for nomadic tribes as well. All strata of our society, Narendra Modi ji has given some or other scheme. I will not explain every scheme in this program, but on the completion of 7th year of Narendra Modi ji's government and 2nd year of Modi 2.0, today we are going to organize 1 lakh Seva Karya in 1 lakh villages. What are these Seva Karyas? Distribution of food grains, distribution of fruits, distribution of sanitizers, masks, blood donation camps, and number of programs following all COVID protocols. Here I am very happy that you have all maintained social distancing. All of you have covered your faces with masks. Distance from you and me is more than almost 10 feet. So even I can dare removing my mask and talk to you. Following all COVID protocols, I am very happy. I thank Bala Garu. He has organized a program to provide some assistance to our media persons. My hats off to all media persons of this country. They are also Corona warriors. What is happening in our society, what is happening in our town, our village, in our metropolitan city, or our hills or jungles, anywhere, during this last 1 year plus, you people brought the news and made the society aware of what is happening. If journalists, if videographers, if photographers, if they would not have worked like this, then it was difficult for us to understand what is happening in society. The gravity of situation came in front of the society, in front of people, because of the media persons. You worked for last 1 year, risking your own life. As sanitizer workers, sanitation workers, Swachhata Karmachari, simultaneously police force, some selected government servants, those who are working in emergency departments like water, electricity, they don't have any other alternative. They had to work round the clock. Similarly, journalists also, they have sacrificed their life. I remember the great anchor Rohit Sardana, who succumbed to COVID. It was a great loss to our country. I cannot take names of all journalists who sacrificed their lives, but I remember in Delhi, the representative of Assam Tribune, he and his wife, both of them, they died because of COVID. And that is why you journalists, you media persons are real corona warriors. And I remember in Delhi, there were number of videographers, photographers and journalists. They were admitted to hospital and some of them were on ventilators. They faced very serious condition of the life. But they came back and they are healthy now. I pray for them that they should be healthy throughout their life. But at the house of GVL Narsiha Rao Garu, almost 1 year back, we felicitated this journalist and with Kandva and shawl. Today I am happy that our Bala Garu has brought some rice for you. And I know that this is a very small thing which we are giving, but it is a token of love from Bharatiya Janata Party. It is a token of love from Honorable Jagat Prakash Nadda ji. It is a token of love on behalf of Somuvir Raju ji. It is token of love on behalf of Narendra Modi ji. So I appeal all of you to please accept this token of love and be impartial media persons. If we commit some mistake, definitely criticize us. But do this to each and every political party so that the society will really come to know who is really working and who is not. Last thing I would like to tell you, I thank Narendra Modi ji for giving a great relief to COVID affected orphans. जो बच्चे जिनके माता पिता गुजर गए, ऑर्फन हुए कोविड के कारण. कुछ बच्चे पहले से उनके माँ नहीं थी, पिता थे. कुछ बच्चों के पहले माँ थी, पिता नहीं थे, और वो एक माँ थी, वो गुजर गई. एक पिता थे, वो गुजर गए. सिंगल पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो. The children lost their single parent because of COVID and they become orphan. Narendra Modi ji yesterday has given great scheme for all these orphans, and really when I got to know these schemes, my heart was moved because of the thinking of Narendra Modi ji about every person. हर व्यक्ति के बारे में सोचना. इन छोटे छोटे बच्चों को जो अनाथ हुए हैं, Narendra Modi ji has assured after up to 18, their all education will be free. Central government schools, central schools, or wherever they are studying, their education will continue. It will not disrupted. Simultaneously, after completion of 18 years, they will get monthly stipend or monthly honorarium or monthly some amount to survive. After the age of 23, these orphan youth, because at the age of 23 they will become young, they will be given 10 lakh rupees. Every orphan will be given 10 lakh rupees. If somebody wants to go for higher education, then Narendra Modi ji has assured that loan will be given to them for higher education, because costly medical, engineering or many type of courses are there, higher education, but the interest will be paid by PM CARES fund. Interest will not be paid by the student, only the loan amount, and after he becomes employed, he can return the loan of that bank, but the interest will be paid by PM CARES fund. Simultaneously, these all students, their health will be taken care by Ayushman Bharat scheme, 5 lakh rupees insurance cover, and the premium will be borne by Honorable Prime Minister. So the amount which was given by society to Narendra Modi ji for PM Care Fund for last 1 year, Narendra Modi ji is spending every penny perfectly to benefit the society to fight with coronavirus, maybe ventilators, maybe oxygen concentrators, and now the scheme for these poor or orphan children. Thank you very much, my friends. Thank you very much. My best wishes to you. Stay safe, stay protected. आपको मैंने पहले भी लेकर जाऊंगा अपने घर में रखूंगा. ब्यूटीफुल. जाता